Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about CloudWatch logs and CloudWatch monitoring. We are going to do one activity so you can implement in your real time also, you can mention in your resume you did this part. Fine, first we will go and we will install the EC2 server, then we will discuss step by step. Example, this is my web server. Come down, I have a key pair, okay, network. Okay, fine. I will go with the web subnet. Enable the public AP. Security group, fine. We are in testing environment, that's the reason we are going to take all traffic here. Log instance. Fine. In CloudWatch, what we have? We have detail monitoring, that is paid, and free monitoring. So here in free monitoring, example, you can go and you can check it out. This is called default metrics. Here they are going to provide the default metrics like CPU utilization, network in bytes, network out bytes, network packets, CPU credit usage, CPU credit balance, right? But what I want to have like a RAM utilization, disk utilization. I want to check it out. So for that, what we need to do, example, this is my EC2 server, EC2 web server. Fine. So here I want to monitor like RAM memory or disk memory, RAM memory, disk memory. I will give you the example when I am going to launch, but today I am not going to do this activity. But here what I want to do, let me tell you. For this also what we need to do, previously we have separate agents, okay, that is we use Perl script. We install here Perl script. But what AWS did, they are going to provide unified agents. So this unified agents will work for your RAM memory, disk memory, even for your logs also, logs monitoring. We will see the examples, don't worry. Okay, fine. Suppose this is my web server. I install an EC2. Then here we are going to use cloud service. On AWS cloud, we have one service. That service name is CloudWatch. What does CloudWatch will do? I will tell you. AWS CloudWatch. Fine. I have some notes here. So here we are going to see about CloudWatch logs. What does CloudWatch logs will do? CloudWatch logs help you to centralize your system and application logs in a high available service, that is CloudWatch service. Okay, here we are going to know what is going on inside our application by using custom metrics. Okay, for example, this is my server. Here multiple users are there and they are trying to hit on my server and they are getting failed. Then why they are getting failed, what the user activity is going on, I can check it out. For example, here you have a web server, but in your case might be it's application server, so you can go and you can check it out, your health status of your application server. Example, some people are running e-commerce business on the EC2 instance on AWS cloud, so I need to monitor their content also. For that also, what you have to do, you have to go and you have to install the CloudWatch agent. Got my point? For example, here we are going to know what is going on inside our application by using custom metric. Example, login failed 400 error. Or we can know example e-commerce business, how many orders we are getting from our shopping cart, application, and health check of our application. So what is metrics here? We will go and we will see. AWS CloudWatch. Yeah, these all are the default metrics. Okay, these are the default metrics. Now, I'm not going to discuss much about metrics. So still, I will tell you a few points. See, metric means any measurable unit of the infrastructure. Like example, here we have a platform like in EC2, we have a CPU, RAM, memory, right? Disk read, write, bytes, network packets. That is called metric. Metrics are data about the performance of your system. By default, many services provide free metrics for resources such as Amazon EC2 instances, EBS volumes, and RDS DB instances. So what we can do, you can also enable detailed monitoring for some resources such as your Amazon EC2 instance, or publish your own application metrics. Amazon CloudWatch can load all the metrics in your account, both AWS resource metrics and application metrics that you provide for search, graphing, and alarm. So why we need the metrics data here? So we can go and we can create the alarms. We can trigger alarm, for example 404 error is there. So we can once we get the notification, now what we can do, we can go and we can sort out the issues, right? And we can check it out by using the graphs also. Fine. So Amazon CloudWatch metrics automatically collect data from AWS service such as Amazon EC2 instance and Amazon EBS volumes and Amazon RDS data instances. These metrics can be organized as a dashboards, and alarms or events can be created to trigger events or perform auto scaling actions. Fine. So what is event? So for example, we are going to do log activity. See, it's a record of some activity. Okay. Where I was. Okay, fine. So here we are going to have the log files of this web server. So what I will do, I will go and I will install the application here. Okay, SSH. Share. Sudo -i. Fine. Okay, I will do one thing. Here I will install the HTTPD service. Yum -y install HTTPD. cd/var/www.html. This is the location. Here we will go and we will create some index.html file. I for insert h1 hi, this is our web server for testing. h1 escape shift wq. Now start the service system serial start httpd. Fine, check the status also by using the status command. It's active and running, right? Now copy the DNS and try to check. Even you can check by public IP also. Fine. Now for example, if someone is trying to hit my domain, examples help, here you will see page not found, right? This is the error you're getting, 404 error. Now I want to have these errors log files inside my CloudWatch. Fine. I want to have this log files inside my CloudWatch. So what we need to do here, here we have to apply first IAM rule. We will go step by step, sir. And plus policy to send the data to CloudWatch, and the policy and a policy to allow him to put metrics. Okay, this is what we are going to do. Fine, so here we are going to do this activity on our EC2 server. Then after that, what we are going to do, unified CloudWatch agent. So spelling mistake here. We are going to install on our web server. See, even you can monitor your on-prem services also. Okay, example, you're going to keep your web server on-prem or application server on-prem, so you can go and you can install the unified CloudWatch agent on your on-prem server. Got my point? So here I want to have this log events, log files. Fine. We will get inside the CloudWatch. There we have an option log groups. Okay, I hope you guys understand. So here what I want to have examples. Let me check, is there any option log files? No. Copy this one. Fine, so metrics and log files. So fine, what we need to do here, where is my server? Here is my server. Okay, before that I will go and I will show you here. See, this is the log groups. Fine, you can go and you can create the log group from here also, but I don't want to create from here. We will create from our server itself. Now what we are going to do, see here, install CloudWatch agent. I will show you the content here also here. Where is that example? Cat var. I want to go on the log file location, log httpd access dot log. Okay, here we will go. Okay, fine. See the I will go directly on the location cd slash var slash. You guys will get confused. Log httpd ls. Here I have a access.log, right? See, cat access.log. You can check it out. Fine. This is the log files information I want to have inside the CloudWatch. Recently what I did, I tried to access HTTP 404. I got this error. Now I will do one thing. Instead of that, simple, I will go and I will give fine. So you will get here 200. This is my IP address. 200 is a success code. You see here we don't have any problem. Got my point? From Windows 10.0, Windows 64. This is all the information of my server. Here also in starting also we got the 200 success code, and here we are getting 404 error. This is what sorry for that. This is what I want to monitor. Fine, 404 error. So what we have to do first here? Where is the document? Okay, fine. Even you can go and you can check it. Here. See, install the CloudWatch agent on instances by using AWS CloudFormation template. Also, this is on right. See, install the CloudWatch agent on on-premises servers. We can go and we can install on-prem also by using the command line. You can use system manager. See, then install the CloudWatch agent on new instances by using AWS CloudFormation template. CloudWatch agent's credential preference. Create the CloudWatch agent configuration file. Install the CloudWatch agent by using Amazon CloudWatch one observability EKS and on or the Helm chart. See, if you want to go a process like step by step process, you can go and you can check it out the AWS workshop also. I'm sure this here they will show you metrics collected to the cloud by the CloudWatch agent. Install the CloudWatch agent by using the Amazon CloudWatch observability EKS and on or the Helm chart. Even you can install on EKS, but our mode is to install on EC2 service. See, this is the first step. Even if you want to follow, you can go and you can follow this options, the steps from AWS itself. See, here we have we are using AWS Unified CloudWatch Agent. I will tell you what is Unified CloudWatch Agent. AWS Unified CloudWatch Agent. See, use the Unified CloudWatch Agent to get started with the CloudWatch logs. So for more information about using CloudWatch Agent to get started with CloudWatch logs, see collect metrics and log from Amazon EC2 instance and on-premise server with the CloudWatch agent. Fine. Now we'll go and install the agent. Okay, I will do one thing. I'll open new terminal. Alt F2. Copy. Paste. Become the root user, sudo -i. Next, where is the documentation? Here I have the documentation. Copy this one, paste here. Yes, fine. Okay, fine. ls, sorry, here it is going to install cd opt / let me show you again. ls cd AWS. Here we are going to have some packages like cd Amazon CloudWatch agent ls. Here we have inside the bin directory wizard. See, this is the wizard. Once you start the wizard, you will get some question and answers. Okay, and directly also you can go on particular direct location. I just want to go on step by step. That's the reason I showed you like this. See here, if you go and check present working directory, here inside the OPT folder, AWS Amazon CloudWatch agent bin directory, we have this wizard. Next, right, I'm here itself. So / Amazon CloudWatch agent config wizard. So here it will ask some questions like on which OS are you planning to use the agent. Want to use on Linux, this is a default. Trying to fetch the default region based on EC2 metadata. EC2, we are working on cloud, right? EC2. Which user are you planning to run the agent? Second, root user. Do you want to turn on status daemon? No. Do you want to metrics from CloudWatch D? No, I don't want. No. See, in starting also I told you that do you want to monitor any host metric like example CPU memory. See, previously we can monitor for this RAM memory and disk memory. We have to go and we have to install a Perl script separate for this one separate, and for this one to monitor logs also we have to use separate agent. Example, here we have a log files, right? Log files of your web server, or your even you can use a DB server, whatever the server you guys are going to use for this one. But now it is giving in one option, one unified agent we can use for both. Example, you can go in, you can select this one also, so you will get the RAM memory, disk memory, a separate matrix. You can find it out inside the CloudWatch. So do you wish to, you want to mount any host metric? No. You have any existing CloudWatch log agent? No, I don't have. So we can do migration. It will ask you the path and location and everything. No. Do you want any log files? Yes, I want to monitor log files. One. Log file path. What is the path here? /var/ log httpd, and the name is access dot log. Even you can check here, I will show you where is the location, present working directory. See, we are on httpd ls access log. This is the path file I am going to give you. Copy. I think I gave the wrong. See, wrong name. See, here we have to check it out, sir. Everything, or else we will face the error, or you won't get the log files. Default choice, log group name, access log. Okay, fine. Enter. Log group classes standard or infrequent. Standard. Default choice 1. Log group stream name. Okay, by using instance ID we can find it out. Yes. Log group retention in days. Okay, default choice 1. Do you want to specify any additional log file to monitor? No. Second option. Do you want to CloudWatch agent to also retrieve exit addresses? No, it's additional information. No. Do you want to store the config in the SSM parameter? No, it's a separate service. SSM parameter. In real time we use this SSM parameter. Okay, we are going to save the whole all the information of this information inside the parameter, or whenever the new server is going to up, so we can give the endpoint to the SSM. Okay, do you want to store the config in SSM parameter? No. Program access now. No, I want to go and I want to check the status of my CloudWatch agent. So but right now we did not have any IAM policy. So as I said in starting, what we have to do, we have to go and we have to create a IAM role, and the policy which we are going to assign, that policy should send the data to Amazon CloudWatch. IAM, open link in new tab, roles, create a role, AWS service, which service? EC2. Next, what is the name here? CloudWatch. Let's come down here. So here you can go and you can give the full access also, but we want to give a particular access, that is CloudWatch agent server policy. You can check it out. See, no, I think it's fine. So which one I select? CloudWatch agent server policy admin. Just give me a second. Right, this one itself. Let me check second one also. I just want to give the specific one, that's the reason I select that one. Next, see, give the role name CW CloudWatch IAM role. See, next, create a role. Now I want to assign this role to my server. So go here, EC2 instances. I will go and I will assign a IAM role here, modify IAM role, the role which we created, CW CloudWatch agent role, update IAM role. So once we update the IAM role, it will communicate with our AWS CloudWatch. Okay, fine. Now what we need to do, we have to go and check it out our status of our CloudWatch. Where is the command here? This is the command. Copy. Okay, not yet it copied. Okay, fine. Copy. Sudo -i. Now just stop. Now how we are going to start? Just simple, use start command. Same command, use strt start. Fine, just use, instead of status, strt start. Now check the status, it's running. Now if I want to go and check it out, is it working or not? Am I getting my log files here inside the CloudWatch? We don't have this one. Now what we need to do, we have to fetch the data from our web server to CloudWatch. Okay, now we are going to feed. To fetch the data, we have one command. That command we have to use. See, this is the directory. Inside this directory, if you go and check, example, troubleshooting of CloudWatch log files. So what we need to do, we have to fetch the command fetch. So I updated my agent configuration but don't see the new metrics or logs in the CloudWatch. So what we need to do, we have to go and we have to copy the complete path. Okay, here inside the configuration file, what we need to do, we have a JSON file here. Example, if you go and check cd slash opt slash ls cd aws slash amazon cloudwatch agent ls cd bin. Here we have a config.json file. We have to run that command from here, or from cd also you can do it. Copy this file, or else here I created all that already. Just use this one, copy, run. It will show you if I have any errors or anything. See, valid JSON input, configuration validation, second phase succeed, configuration validation succeed. Now I will go and I will check CloudWatch. Fine. Can you see this one? Access log. Here we have the log files. This is my instance ID. Okay. Fine, sir. This is what we did 1831 13 success code 200. Fine. Somewhere we got 408 408 408 200. 200 means everything was fine. Now okay, again I will give one more time. Now check it out. Resume. Okay, refresh. See, this is what the answer here. Now next I will do one more activity here. Slash info dot page. We will get the error. Okay, next text.com. Not found. One more error here. youtube.com. See, these things are not available inside my web page. Just I want to show you the error here. See, 404. Can you say this one? 404. Again 404. Now what I want to have, here we have a CloudWatch. So inside this CloudWatch we are going to get the log files, but here I am going to use one more service. That service name is SNS. We are going to integrate with SNS. Simple notification service. After that, what I want to have, alarm. Based on the metrics, we are going to create some alarms. Got my point? From here, we are going to integrate SNS. After that, we are going to trigger the alarm. Fine. Let's go and see. Fine. Go to CloudWatch log groups, access.log. Okay. Here we are going to use some metric filter. By use this, we can do some advanced stuff. Metric filter. Create a metric filter. Filter name error. So here we have multiple options like warning, match log events with 400 level HTTP response. See, by using this activity, you can go and you can implement in your laptop, in your EC2 instances. Like you can go and you can use your RDA, like Oracle database, or whatever the application or whatever the database you have. So in front of interviewer, you can say that, sir, I did this activity. Custom log data from this instance type. Okay, from this instance. Next, error 404. Right, 404. Next, filter name. What is the filter name we can assign here? Filter for 404 error. Metric namespace. Okay. Metric name I will give page not found. Metric value I can give 1. Whenever it gets match, then what is the unit? See, you can use seconds, microsecond, millisecond, bytes, but here I want to go with count. Next, create a metric filter. Once we create the metric filter, what we can do, go and create the alarm. Here we have the alarm section. See, every period of 5 minutes, start x greater than 10 counts, or you can go for 5 also, it's up to you. 5 till 5 minutes. Okay, next, create an select an existing topic, create a new topic, topic name, trigger alarm. Okay, for web server, email cloud, create topic @gmail.com. Next, alarm name error 404 on web server. Next, create alarm. See, the same alarm you can go and you can add into the dashboard also. So now we have insufficient data. view alarms. My threshold is on 5. Okay, now we have insufficient data. I will do one thing. I will increase the load here. Text dot in page 2 times intro help dot in fv.com. Okay, so these are the errors we try to generate here. Where is that? CloudWatch agent alarm, sorry, all alarm. Some subscription are pending confirmation. Okay, we have to go and confirm the subscription also. Where is the email ID of USNS subscription? Okay, pending. Trigger alarm for web server. Go to my email ID here. Yeah, I got the email. Now I need to confirm the subscription. Okay, fine, sir. Now refresh it. Got it. History. Okay, insufficient to OK state. Let's go and try one more time here. Connect. See here, if you go and check on CloudWatch, where is that? IAM, this is the IAM role. Logs, groups. Now here we are going to get a lot of errors. Access log, this is our instance ID, so 404. Refresh. Fine, so this is my IP address 113. Errors. Refresh. So successfully execution action trigger alarm for web server. Okay, error on 404 in alarm. Now can you see that 7.95 the count is, but we have given threshold is on 5, right? 5 counts. I hope you guys understand. So my suggestion is, please go and install few more services. Like example, you can go and you can install Tomcat. If you have a database, you can use a database and you can trigger your log file, or you can feed the log files into the CloudWatch. I hope you understand this whole session. So do one thing, just try to do this activity. Try it. Might be you will get failed in starting. My suggestion is, please go and check the documentation. Okay, instead of copying my commands, you can go and you can check the documentation. There you will get step-by-step process. One more activity you can do, like go for AWS workshop for CloudWatch agents. You will get they will explain you each and everything. Not for CloudWatch, if you want to learn any service, if you don't know that service, even if you're getting any task in real time also, you can follow the AWS workshop. From there you will get a lot of stuff. Fine, sir. Okay, fine. So I can show you inside my email also. Did I get any email? Fine. You are receiving this alarm email because your Amazon CloudWatch error 404 on web server in this US East North Virginia has entered the alarm state. So in what we do in real time also, for example, instead of right now we are using SNS and we are triggering alarm. The same thing we can use Slack also. Okay, we can use Slack. On Slack also we can go and we can configure it. We can use we can give the endpoint here. Try this, how to integrate Slack with AWS CloudWatch. You have a lot of documentation, just follow it. Fine, so thanks for watching.